Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can add animated text on Instagram. So it's a new feature provided by Instagram. It's not like new feature, it's like a new, it's like a new kind of effect provided by Instagram, which is only available in Instagram stories right now. So yeah, if you guys do not see this feature, then basically your Instagram is not up to date, so make sure to update your Instagram. And after updating your Instagram, you can follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you right now. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. So by using this effect, your text can be animated, alright, and it's pretty simple. So first you want to go to your story. So let me go to the place where you guys can upload your story. You can click on your profile picture, you can click on this plus icon, and after clicking on this plus icon, click on story. Now once you go on story, it's going to take you to the place where you guys can upload your story. Now over here it says double a capital and a small one, which create on the side. You want to click on it. And over here you want to add the text which you want to animate. So I want to animate this text over here. So I want to animate this text. So after doing this, what I want to do is I want to click on next. Now after clicking on next, you want to click on your text again. And after clicking on the text again, you can see the two option at the top. So you want to click on this one over here. After clicking on this one, as you guys can see, my text got animated. So this text is going to look like this if I post it on my story. For different type of font, there's different animation. For this, it's different. You guys can see this is the animation for this. So for this, it's a bit of glowy one, as you guys can see, glowing. And for this one, it's another one. As you guys can see, it's a bit shaky one. So you can choose whichever animation you like from over here. And after choosing the one, you want to click on done. And after clicking on done, you can just click on your story and it will be uploaded on your story. It's that simple to add animated text on your Instagram story. So if you guys find our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And I will see you guys in the next video. And let me show you guys how it looks like in your story. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like on my story. So yeah, hopefully you guys can animate your text as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.